Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today's workout is a 15-minute walking workout. Before we start, please check around you. There's nothing you're going to hurt your feet on or trip over or bash into. You only need the space of your fitness mat. Anytime it seems too much for you, please make the steps smaller. Leave out any arm movement. Take it to 2 steps. Don't worry too much if you're not on the same beat as me. Really doesn't matter. What matters is that you're moving. Well done. Let's add some arms. Right arm goes out to the side, left arm. So trying to keep that at shoulder height if you can. If it's too much, by all means, make it smaller. I will give some slightly more advanced options for people that have been with me for a while or that are a bit more experienced but just want routines at this level. Back to singles. Swing the arms to little bicep curls. So taking the arms to the side, taking them side to side. Well done. Bring it forward for 4, 3, 2, and back for 4, 3, 2. Well done. Back to double steps, so those double arms even. Side arms. Back to singles with a bicep curl. Now if you've got room, bring it forward to me for 4, 3, or 2. If you can only make 2, that's fine. If you've got lots of space, you can make it nice and big. If I do that, I come off camera. So keep it at your level. You might only want to do 2 bigger ones, 2 forward, 2 back. Take it to side steps, 2. Arm out, well done. If that's getting too much for you, leave that out. Don't overdo it. Remember, we're trying to get through to the end of the 15-minute workout, so you've got to pace yourself. If you're already breathless, it's too much for you. Well done. Just keep those feet moving. Right, let's take it to a march, right, left. Try and keep those feet nice and light and quite a fast beat, so those moves are going to be quite small, knees can stay quite low even. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Stay facing me, it's easier for you. 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. So that can just be a very little step, or you can take it down and lift, take it down and lift. I'm going to change that slightly. We're going to take it wide at the front. So wide, wide, together, together. Again. That might just be a little bit wider, it might be really big. And add some arms. I think out, in works quite nicely. Or pump. It's your body, your workout. You choose what feels right for you or leave the arms out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. We're going to change leg, tap, left, right. We're going to do that a little bit faster without the big pause in future. But left, right, back, wide, wide, together, together. Let's tap change. Right, left. Don't worry if you haven't got that, really doesn't matter. 8 more. Well done. Tap change. So we tap, change leg. If you're on the opposite leg and you haven't managed to do the tap change, really not the end of the world, and tap change. Tap change. So we're going to do 4, 3, that's 2, tap change, tap change. Tap change for 2s, 1, 2, tap change. Let's go for singles, tap change. So here, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it more to a horseshoe, twist it round. But don't worry, if that doesn't work for you, just keep it here. Your choice. If you just swing your arm out and just try and do the same movement, but let your feet go with you, it'll become more of a horseshoe. Four, 3, last 2, well done. March it through. 3, 2, 1, toe tap, 3, 1, toe tap. So that can become a knee lift. You can add an arms. You pull down. That's your hardest version. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Easiest version, 1, 2, 3, toe tap. With just little gentle arms, shoulders relaxed. I'm going to go somewhere in the middle. I quite like to just swing my arms, pull them back up, feel that it working the back of the arm. So as you tap, pull the elbow back, feel the back of the arm working. A little bit of work for those bat wings. Not a lot of work for them, but every little bit helps. Let's march. Catch the beat, marching. Right, left, right, left. Don't worry too much if you're on the wrong foot, but if you follow me, it will make it a little bit easier. Shoulders relaxed. Keep that head up. You don't need to look at your feet. Keep breathing in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Change that to 3 and a tap. 1, 2, 3, toe tap. So you have an option if you want. You can make that bigger, step back, knee lift, or keep it as a tap. So again, you choose what you want to do, what's right for you. You want to make it harder at an arm. So what I'm doing with my arms, taking them down and up. And less space means you need to. Try and stay facing me all the time if you can. So your easier version, if you're out of breath, you want to make it gentle. With here, harder version. Do what feels right with the arms. I'm touching my shoulders, reaching up and doing a little bicep curl. Might take a little bit of getting used to that move, so do what feels right with you. Maybe just reach the arms up and down. If you want to make it even harder, you can take the arms just up and down. That doesn't work for me very well. I seem to lose the beat with that one. Well done. Let's march it through. Right, left, right, left. You'll take the feet a little bit wider. So wide, it's as wide as is comfortable for you. And again, you can keep it here for the movements, or make it really wide, lift the knees. His arms moving, shoulders relaxed. Nice big gap between the shoulders and the ears. Well done. Feet are now turning slightly out, knees are following. Knees and ankles, I meant, should be nice and comfortable. 2 in, 2 out, take it in, wide, wide. Add some arms if you can. This is the brain teaser if you don't know this move. stick with that. You can lose the arms, or we can make it a little bit harder. We're going to go forward, wide, wide, together at the back. Wide at the front, together at the back. For those that want to jump, I'm not going to jump. I like my workouts to be all low impact. But those that maybe want to add a tiny bit of impact work, that's fine. Ready to march on the spot. And right there, right there. I'm going to turn now slightly to the corner. You're going to move with what space you've got. Let's go 4, 3, 2 and a tap. We're going to march forward for 4 back for 4. So 4, 3, 2. You're going to go with what space you've got. So if you can only go diagonally or straight across your mat, that's fine. Let's change direction. So pick a space you've got. You might need to walk a few further back in order to get space to go forward. That's fine. The idea is you can do these workouts in the space of a fitness mat. We're bringing the heart rate down. Well done. You've been working out really hard today. Just make it through to the end, finish with a stretch. Bring the feet in. Front this time with a heel dig. So I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Just sticking the heel out, sticking that heel up. But it's not big. Let the shoulders relax. Keep breathing, nice deep breaths. Catch your breath. Back to side steps. Hope you've enjoyed today's workout. We're not quite finished yet, we're still walking through, but taking our heart rate down, slowing the beat, heels in front. So I'm taking it right across in front. If that doesn't work for you, just take it out in front. You've got to work with your body. If your balance doesn't allow you to go across, or it's uncomfortable on your ankles, uncomfortable on your hips, just do whatever you need to do. So this is fine too. This is fine if you need it to be even. 4, 3, 2, back to heel raises. Lift and lift, lift and lift. Inside. Body sway, sway, sway. If that doesn't feel right or makes you feel giddy, please just do a small side step. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel in front. Heel raises. Try and keep those hips facing me. Well done. So we're not twisting side to side or sticking the hip out. Pulling the belly in, keeping the head up, shoulders back. Pull the shoulders back. Nice and relaxed circle though. Shouldn't be tense. You're ready to march. Right, left. Or left, right, really doesn't matter. 3, 2, 1 and a heel dig. 3, 2, 1, heel forward. If heel doesn't work for you, go with a toe tap. That's fine too. Keeping it small. Side, 1, 2, 3 to the side, side, Let's finish with a stretch. I'm going to get you to take your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Take the right foot back, both feet are pointing forward. We're going to lift up onto the toe. So by lifting up onto the toe, we're going to make it a lot easier to have your foot in the right position. Quite often the foot turns in, and that's very difficult then to put your heel down. Now push that heel all the way to the floor. Look at my position. My knee is above my ankle. Leg is straight. Fairly straight line, so my lower back is relaxed. I'm not arched back, I'm not folded forward. You can put the hands on your legs if you want, that helps balance a little bit. If it's a little bit too hard, obviously your foot's going to be here. If you're really flexible in your hamstrings, in your calf even, you're going to have that heel a lot further back. Somewhere that's comfortable. Watch you're not pushing too far forward. Feel what's going on with your knee. That knee should be, you should be able to see your toes, it should be lined forward. Beautiful. We do exactly the same on the other side. So taking the foot back, put the heel to the ground and lift and lower. So you're going to do it where your heel touches the ground. We're trying to keep the knee roughly above the ankle, somewhere between the ankle and the toes, not overshooting. Well done. Now push that heel down and lean into that stretch. I need to come a little bit further forward to get a stretch this side. Well done. And relax. A little shake out. Thank you so much for joining me in today's workout. I hope you had fun. See you again in the next workout. Bye for now.